reason I got Heliocol is because I researched the market. I looked for something which had really good quality, a 25-year warranty, which is important, and also something that was reasonably priced for the warranty and for the quality of the product that there is. I'm very happy with the product. The installation was great. I've had 2 separate installers, both have been excellent and no leaks at all. And when I actually tested the system, I can actually get it up to 35 degrees in my pool. Not that I want to do that all the time, but that's the sort of bloke I am. I just wanted to test it. So all in all, Heliocol product, I'm very happy. Thank you.